Shuklam Baradaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Prasanna Dhyaye Sarva Vignopasantaye Guru Brahma Guru Saksha Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha Om Sri Krishna Namaha. Welcome back, Sri Krishna Soft Skills Easy Power BI by Naveen. So today we are going to a new life. So we are switching into IT sector. So before going to anything we want to learn, then we will take blessings from our parents, and after the parents, the next is Guru, okay, is the teacher. So we will believe the teacher and go ahead. So that is the reason why then I prayed it. Yeah, okay. You are watching this first time video, so please subscribe and like it and share it and do bell icon for never miss the new updates. Yeah, okay. Thank you, friends. So as of now, how many have you learned like BTech or BSc, whatever, anything? Okay, so we will discuss in future. Yeah, okay. So I hope able to hear me, everyone. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yeah, I'm keeping everyone a mute. So if you have any questions, any doubts, so please keep it in chat box. So I answer everything at the end of the session. So we have a Q&A session. So from each and everyone, I will take the questions and I'll give you the answers. Don't worry about it. So please concentrate your time. Concentrate here. Please listen carefully. Okay. So that is the one best effort. Okay, you will put the effort and you will get the result. That motto of our channel, okay, and our institute also. Yeah, okay. So first of all, I introduce myself. So my name is Naveen Kumar. I have experience in Power BI and then SQL and Azure ETL, Cloud ETL. Okay, currently I'm working for a technical lead in a one of the major organization in Hyderabad. Okay, this is about me. Actually, this is aim to start this institute is to we help so many peoples from villagers or from come from multiple backgrounds. So like from HR team or some other marketing, some other sales. So who are into non-IT people. So basically they don't know how to come into the IT sector and then software. So this is the very good platform and this is very good opportunity to switch your into your career into the IT. So that is the best institute to learn this Power BI course. In the software course, we have a lot of scores in the market. So why we learn this thing, everything, then each and every question. So I think you have a lot of questions with your mind. So then everything I will, after this session, then I will take the Q&A. I think most of the questions you will resolve by speaking, by taking this session. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we are going to. So do you know, guys, any idea about business intelligence tool? No. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so most of the people, someone referred, or you don't know whether any idea about business intelligence tool and Power BI. So no issue. So some of the people, yes, I think you have seen and you have learned something in Google. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, going to this business intelligence. So what is a BI? And we will talk about the Power BI in idea about the business intelligence tool. Yes. Where we exactly going to this use? The basically when we business, we have in a period of time, then we are going to take a one, yeah, increase the business, where you increase the business. And yeah, which different locations we have various time period. So what we in case? So then we have to know about the happiness, your business. If you know, that is the way why we expect to we can grow in our business. Otherwise it's not easy to improve your business. Okay, so without decision taking, then we cannot improve your business. But That reason we need to have the information about your business and how we are going to get information from your business. Okay. For example, if you run a business, you are going to take an idea, data from the different applications. Okay. For example, it is like Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart, okay, DMart, other, all the social having a, okay. We have Amazon applications and then more applications. Okay, and we are going to the customer serve the people at Amazon, so we will make a transaction and what do we are going to stores in a place. Okay, so we don't care about that the matter. Okay, so as we bundle up the papers of the lot of practical places, we are going to take that when how we will store the data and which type of data we will store, so those we will convert into our like tables, and in the tables we form of columns and rows. Okay, and then we will give a representative data in a various, okay, like chart bars and line bars, so then we will discuss. Okay, so okay, so this is the intelligence tool. Okay, so the information using by intelligence tool, then we are going to get information on top of then the business data. So how we are going to present the information, that completely depends on the business requirements. So we are going to do this. Okay, okay, so who will give this particular requirement? The requirement is given by the client or the user. Okay, they will give like a blueprint, like a mock, like Excel. Okay, they will describe all the stories. Okay, this type of filters I want, this type of column chart I want, this type of pie chart I want, and this type of measures you will use, all those. So they're given as a story. Okay, a knowledge as well as the little of technology knowledge. So there is a going to keep a template. So like that we will, as what I'm showing in this demo template, like that they will give you. So these are the scenarios, then we have to learn. Okay, then this is the business intelligence, this is the Power BI, this is the Power Query, everything then I will explain in the this demo. Then this like that they will give. Okay, yeah. Okay, however they are going to keep in there the mail or in Excel, anything. So it might be the data in Excel, it might be the data in SQL, it might be the data in like CSV files or the Word, even PDF. Okay, either is there anything another thing. Okay, whatever the data. So we are going to do this by some analyzing, some transforming. Okay, by some other DAX functions. Okay, okay, understand. I think you hope understand only the information, not added the data. So but the database, and then we are going to bring some by using the some business intelligence tools. Okay, and we have transforming the data information, and now we come to the Power BI. Okay, so okay, yeah, now this is the points where we start the demo. Okay, the Srikrishna SoftSkills Power BI instructor and lead, Power BI online trainings by Naveen Kumar. Naveen Kumar, yours. Okay, yeah, let's get started now. So what is the Power BI? What is the agenda today? Okay, so build your Power BI skills to attend the immersive Power BI training. So this is the training course. Okay, yeah. Who is this Power BI training for? Basically, this Power BI training for the complete beginners. Okay, I am telling you, for this is for beginners. You do not need have no experience with the Power BI to attend this training. So I think everyone should start. So I have no experience in IT. I have no experience in Power BI. How should I learn? So this is for you. Okay, guys. Yeah. You hope understand. Yeah. Next. Next slide. Yeah, I'm moving to the next slide. So it is designed for. So this demo is designed for, and this Power BI designed for people who have never worked with the Power BI and who wants to understand, learn how to use this tool. So you don't know any experience in Power BI. You don't handle the Power BI tool yet, and how to learn you don't know. So this is for you guys. Okay. Second, yeah, people using the complex dashboards and the reports which have been prepared the other analyst. Okay, I think this understands the so many complex dashboards and how to prepare everything. So you might listen somewhere. You might some of your friends. Yeah, I'm creating dashboards. I'm creating reports. So you will able to do these dashboards and complex everything. Okay, yeah. Third point. So people who wants to understand how to create a customer visuals and with this Power BI developer tool. Yeah. So each and every point then we will discuss. So please remember me. And you are looking for a new career here, start with a Power BI. So who looking for a new career? Yeah, I have studied like BTech and MTech and MBA and so on so been working so on so industry. So you are not satisfied with that. There's no. Actually, my aim is and my goal is to shift into IT. So those peoples who are looking for a new career, so you start the Power BI. This is the best platform to switch your career into IT. Yeah, next. Who doesn't matter? So please, this point is carefully. Who doesn't matter in your pharma industry or marketing or HR or sales or any business professionals? Anything, anybody. So you are from here. I am from some other field. I'm a salesperson. I'm an executive. I'm a data entry person. Doesn't matter. So I am from pharma. I am from BA. I am from BCom. So that doesn't matter. Okay. So we do not just train you, change your career. Okay, friends. Okay, guys. So this is training is for not for training. So change your career. Okay, what? Change your career. Yeah. So this is a very important. So most of the people's resolve some of the questions what you filled with your mind. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Understood? Yeah. I'm going to next slide. Yeah, now coming to the Power BI. Okay, so what is the Power BI? I think you are exciting to see the what is the Power BI. Power BI is a reporting tool visual from a Microsoft. I think most of the people, you know, the Microsoft application nowadays, everybody should be using the Microsoft application. I think you shouldn't have any Microsoft. I think you wish either any YouTube channels or somewhere. I think you have listened to Microsoft. So Microsoft strategy, Microsoft is one of the most biggest IT sector. Okay, and in the worldwide, not only like India's something. So world. So this is the Power BI. The tool is a visual from a Microsoft. Yeah, only you think about here only. So if you have any doubts also, please write it somewhere. Otherwise, you will keep it a chart. Then I will give you the answer. So in the end of this session, yeah, why we reporting required? So you are saying about the reporting and the visual. So why we reporting this visual? We don't know either whether in our work or any. So where we use this? Why exactly required? Yeah. Wait. Yeah, to make a user understand that happening in a part of business in a summarized way. Okay, you for example, you take the Flipkart. So Flipkart every minute have every second lot of transactions. So the Flipkart CEO, okay, they don't sit they will see where is the sales that happen in Hyderabad, where is sales in they don't see because of they don't even know even don't waste the time even second. For example, Reliance Ambani is there. He is in Mumbai somewhere now. Then after 1 hour he is there in Delhi. After 4 hours then he will be at the Dubai. So you don't waste time. So you don't waste all the data. Where is the business is going on? Where is the marketing happened? Where is the sales has been done? So like that, you don't see. Only they wants to see understanding what happening is a part of business. What happening a part of business in a summarized way. So like based on the Power BI reports, user makes a business decision. Guys, please understand. Based on the Power BI reports, user make a business decision. Okay, so why they will decision take based on the Power BI? I will let you. Yeah. So what is a visual? So you are saying about the visual and charts. What is that one actually? What is exactly? Yeah, visual as known as a chart of and visualizations are a picture representation of your data. For example, your data in an Excel sheet. So you will see, for example, you have hundreds of records in Excel. For example, you will take the simple example for your family members. We have a 10 members. In the 10 members, suddenly we will ask, what is your date of birth and how much wage? Okay, easily 10, you will tell that, yeah, my date of birth is so and so, 11, 12, 2013, and my age is at 12. That is easy. But in your village, having the hundreds of people, then we will ask someone, and then in that, for example, someone, what is your birthday, and then what is the age of that people, how many members are there in, you cannot tell, because of you cannot remember your Excel sheet. You will go and then you will search and everything, so it is not possible in single way. So like that, like Amazon or Flipkart or Reliance, who are business owners, okay, clients, they will see the summarized way part. So all the data, then we will transform the data and we clean the data, okay, extract the data, transform the data, load the data, and we will keep some visuals in a pictorial summarized way. So visualization known as a charts and visualization are picture representative on your data. So you will bring in one place and you will show the picture. Okay, so what is the visual, then you will see the next slide. So wait few seconds. Yes, now we are going to see. Yeah, this is the Power BI visuals. Okay, yeah, so this is the one of the visual. This is the total units by category. Okay, this is the clustered bar chart. So this is the funnel chart. So for example, you are seeing the opportunity country by sales. So which country load and quality solution. So which is this is the toppest, for example, 268. So like that, whenever you see this visual, yeah, okay, in India, for example, in India, oh, India sales is 260. So next one, which one is the second place? Yeah, second one is London. Yeah, third place is the China. Like that, they whenever you see the data, yeah, okay. Third one. So this is the pie chart. So whenever this is 100% of population by country, which population highest? India is the highest. Second one is China. Third one is the Nigeria. Fourth one is Bangladesh. So like that, then you will see this one particular visual. Then you are able to see the who is the highest population in country easily by this pictorial visualization. So this is the map chart. So for example, North America, Europe, USA, America, Australia, India, wherever, just you single click, you will get the these clicks. Okay, yeah, this is the visual, friends. This is the Power BI desktop. Okay, I hope you everyone understand what is the visual and what is the data, everything. Okay, yeah, then I'm going to the next visual. Everything you will see, you will do, you will able to do, and you will publish, and I will see the data. So where you mistake. So yeah, okay, so yeah, you will see. Wait, yeah, next visual. Yes. Yeah, this is the live Power BI dashboard. I think you might not see where in anywhere in YouTube channel or someone. Okay, so I will show you that this is the Power BI dashboard, guys. So this is a dashboard you will see whenever, for example, here clicking the align goat and then around me and then align. This is the products like district managers. Whenever you click on the district manager, you will see that this is the sales of that amount, where had happened sales, which million they had happened, and this is the where we in the, for example, India, China, it will be changing. You will see whenever we clicking the single button, then it will changing. So it is live. So every time then we are observing the whenever we go to the railway station or some hospital, some airports, and it will going the move and down. So I think you observed many of the like online transaction, like where the sensex is every time it will change. So it's the like also whenever you click in a something, then it's the live dashboard. So it will changing. So whenever the currency, for example, in US currency dollar the 70, so now then we'll increasing the $70. So to 75, India currency is 1 rupee equal $75. So like that it will be changing. Okay, friends. So this is a live dashboard. I think you hope you understand most of the things. Yeah. Yeah. Next slide. Yes. Okay. What? So yeah, you show me the visuals, but what are the components in visual Power BI? How can we know? Yes, we will show you. Yeah. What are the components in Power BI? I will show you each and every point clearly, friends. Please, guys. Okay. So the components and Power BI, and also whenever you complete this course, these are the most important questions also. You remember from starting, then you will keep in your mind. Yes. Yeah, Power Query Editor, Power Query Editor, and Power Pivot is the modeling, and Power View. Power View is nothing but a Power BI desktop and the DAX for analytics. And fourth is the Power BI service. In the Power BI service, reports and dashboards. I don't know. You are telling Power BI, and then you are again these components of Power Query, and then Power Pivot, Power View, Power BI service. What is these things? Yeah, I will explain you. Apart from these four, then we will discuss about the learn about SQL and basics as well fundamentals. It's not part of this course, guys. Okay, please remember, I will give you the extra. Okay, so this is the bonus. Like the first batch, I'll give the bonus. Yeah, yes, then we will introduce into the Power Query. What is the Power Query? Actually, what it will do? Yeah, Power Query nothing but it is a ETL tool, guys. What is ETL mean? You mean by ETL? What do you mean by ETL? ETL means extract, transform, and load. Yeah, you told me extract, T for transform, and L for load. So what is meant? Actually, what is meant by the extract and transform load? So the main goal of this Power Query is to clean the data. Okay, data may be unstructured, data may be structured, data may be semi-structured. So you extract the data from different sources, and then we transform the data via using some of the transformation, and we load the data into the Power BI desktop. So what are the transformations in the Power Query? Just I will give you the brief. Okay, so what is the built-in transformations most? Then when to use and why? So the what is the M language? And the conditional column and custom columns and custom invoke columns, parameter and incremental parameters. Okay, append and merge and duplicate and reference, and date and time transformations. These we will learn by Power Query. So we have a 1 week class for this Power Query. Then we will briefly and in depth from start level to end level. Then we will learn by these things. Okay. Second thing, Power Pivot. What is Power Pivot? You told me the modeling. Yeah, Power Pivot, when you transform the data by using these transformations, you keep in mind, for example, if you built one a building, guys, so you know the first design. So how many bedrooms, for example, this is the how much SFT, this is the 150 200 ads. Okay, in the 200 ads is the 30 by 50. Okay, for example, this is the square, and then I want to these the 3 bedrooms, and then one hall, one kitchen. Okay, one like god room. Okay, like that. Then you assume. Okay, when you assume and you go for the some engineer architecture, and then this is the my place. Then this is the squares, and then please give me the data. They will give the graphs. Yeah, this is the bedroom. This is the size of bedroom. This is a 10 by 15, and second one 10 by 15. Like that, they will give you. Okay, so when you keep in mind, though when you transforming this data, you keep the Power Pivot modeling and the visualization, you have to transform like the data. Okay, so once you are done this one, then you give the modeling part. You yell the relationship. What is the modeling? So relationship between the tables, you have here clean the tables, load the tables. Okay, you load the data into the tables. For example, you have a 4 tables. So which table? The customer table, and dimension dim customer, dim date, and the dim sales, and then dim location table. So all the transformation is some fact table. So then this fact table, for example, you have the customer ID, the same, the customer name, everything. Okay, then but how you know the relationship? This one table to another table. So when you forming the relationship here in the modeling, so that is the reason Power Pivot is used for the modeling to relationship between the tables. So why we need a relationship? Without relationship, how can we live in our life? For example, you have a relationship with your wife, you have a relationship with your brother, you have a relationship with your father. So you broke the relationship. You can imagine how you will live. So that is the thing. So this is the relationship is important to learn. Okay, yeah, so this is the relationship to get the proper results. For example, you will the what are the total sales by customer. So when you give the relationship, proper relationship, you will get the correct results. Otherwise, you won't get the correct results. Okay. Yeah. I hope you understand. Yeah. I'm going to next slide. Power view in the Power BI desktop. So where you create, where you build the visual with the Power BI. So what are the visuals? I told you this one last. You create the visuals like drill through and then cluster column chart, bar chart, bookmarks and formatting conditional and top and filtering, drill through, slicers, custom visuals. Everything we should learn. So visuals already you have seen in the earlier slide. Okay. So this is about the Power BI in Power View. Yeah. Next one is last topic is the next of the DAX in that part of Power BI. So then go for the DAX. Here some of the analytics. So what are the analytics? So you go for the year over year sales. So YTD, year to date, month to date, quarter to date, and so then those things do you have to you have to do. Otherwise, without DAX, you can't imagine. So because of when you create the visuals, say then you should not get a results like when you calculate the total sales, when you calculate the sum of counts, when you calculate the average of sales, when you calculate the year to date, when you calculate the M2 to date, when you calculate the last year sales, when you calculate the dates between, when you calculate the last 7 days, when you calculate the last 4 years data, so you cannot imagine. So in the DAX functions, what we will learn is calculate calendar to if switch and calculate filter all select all except to top and rank x dense rank. Okay, sales incremental. These things we will learn. Okay, so in the DAX, so then we will discuss in depth each and every point. Okay, yeah. This is about what is the components in Power BI. The next step is okay. So Power BI service. So okay, yeah, you have developed the report and you clean the data, you transform the data, you load the data, and you have prepared some visuals. But when you are desktop, you have prepared everything. So for example, you will send a one file to your like your manager. You get a job and then you will send a one mail. Otherwise, you prepare something in your data. So how you should send the data? Okay, you have some communication na? So you have a send one mail na? Like Gmail or Outlook something. So like that in Power BI desktop, when you create the visuals, when you create the reports, and these reports to share to the end user, worldwide users and clients, your manager, your team review. How you will review? You prepare this one. Son, everybody should come and review in your laptop. You will send this report as usual by using the Power BI service. Power BI service is a collaboration purpose. You collaborate with each and other. Okay, so when you create the data, when you create the report, then you will using by sign-in option and you giving the your credentials and you will publish the report in a Power BI service. Yeah, what are the components in Power BI service? Workspace and apps, report and dashboard. What is the difference between report and dash? What are the roles? Power BI service, different types of views and schedules and database, gateways and quick insights and Q&A. So these are the topics involved in the Power BI service. Yeah. Okay. So now 4 components we have discussed in the what are the components of Power BI. Yeah. Next, moving to the very important. Why we choose Power BI? So we have a lot of tools in market. This is, I think, most of the now how many attended this demo? 99% of people have a doubt with this one. When you complete this one, then you will get the answer. Okay, don't worry guys, I will give you all the data, all the clear okay picture. Okay, yeah, why we choose Power BI? So we have to do lot of okay, then I will give you the 5 reasons to join, 5 reasons to choose the Power BI. First is the Google trending. Okay guys, Google trending. So I'm not showing you anything from my side. It's not my company. Okay. So I'm helping you to serve. I'm helping you to change your career. That's it only. Okay. Yeah. We will go and we will see how Google trending is still is a Power BI is a better. And the maximum features and 250 of visuals we have and 2500 of functions like plus, minus, operators, sum X, everything to compare than other tools like a Tableau and click view. Okay, and cost of Power BI, when you compare to the cost, for example, if you buy one laptop, you buy one phone, then you will see the, for example, full iPhone and then some Samsung and then Oppo and then Vivo. So then when you're going to buy a phone, then you will see the first brand and then go for the second one is the brand is okay, then is the different, this is the different, then you go for a price. Okay, Oppo we have like Reno something, it's the 15,000, below 15,000, 20,000. What is your budget and then what should have to bear? Okay, like that the cost of Power BI is the per month per user is a $9.95. This is the very less charging to 750 rupees per user. For example, I think in nowadays you might put a 900 rupees per month for your internet. Okay, they don't give you anything, but when you will spend that 750 rupees per month for this license, I think you don't bear this license also. But telling this is the cost of Power BI, I'm telling. Okay, in a small organization they will afford for this 750 rupees, then they will get a lot of information, lot of in a single tip, and then drag and drop. Okay, that is the reason they choose to Power BI. Next one is the connectivity modes. Okay, for example, if you take a one subscription in the TV channel, for example Airtel or something disconnection, then you will go to the you buy a TV, and then okay, you buy a Power BI. So then you, when you before going to buy, then you will see some how many channels you will get. You will give the, for example, I pay the 750 rupees per month, $9.95. Then what are the channels you will give before going to take the subscription? You will ask na, you will get it something na. Yeah, in this Tata Sky, then they will provide this channel is the free channels, this is the paid channels. So like that, when you buy the Power BI, so you want to search about the what is the connectivity modes, so how to connect the data. So don't worry about that. So all 99 plus connections we can connect, all databases, web, all type of sources like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, even the PDF files, 99 plus sources data we can connect. That is a single word to connectivity mode. For example, you will earlier you observed, I think 2 years back, 3 years back, before Corona, Geo introduced. Okay, once the Geo introduced, before the Geo, then we spent the, I think 250, 350 rupees per 2 GB per month. 2 GB data per month. Once they introduced Geo, the offer is to unlimited for free subscription. All the channels, whatever you, wherever you see, whatever YouTube, movies, whatever, go something, downloading files, everything free. You will pay 300 for 3 months after some days. Why we shouldn't go buy that one, Geo? Definitely everyone. So like that, in the India, most of the people migrate into the Geos. Okay, like that, this is the like Power BI tool to all 9 place data connectivities modes. I will show you the how you connect this. Fifth one is the Gartner company report. Who is the Gartner? Gartner is to evaluate the Power BI, like BI tools, intelligence report, business intelligence report tools. They will give the report every year. So which one is the leader position, which one is the challenger position, which one is the lower position, they will give all the, we have markets lot of tools, like more than 20 reporting tools we have. In that 20 reporting tools, who is the challenge, who is the leader position, who is the first position, so they will take the survey and then they will give the report. So like when you observed by elections, when will come, like PK service, PK like a report, company report, and some other TV channel survey, and then some Andhra Jyoti survey, something Inadu, something Sakshi. So by survey, before getting the, like going to the elections, they will give you, yeah, this is the 90% of BJP will scope is the 400 seats we have, almost 300 seats will come, like that they will give you survey. So Gartner also by giving the survey on BI tools. So how we will the report in 2022 up to 22. Okay, then we will see. Yeah, I show you Google trending. Okay, then after this, then we will go and I will show you the in Google live also. This is also yesterday I have taken. Okay, so you see me. Yeah, this is the Google trending. So when you search in the Google trending, so Power BI along with the Tableau, when you see the last 12 months, so in the 2022, you will see the March 6, 2022. So Power BI Tableau. So this is the, you observe guys. So this is the, so you observe, this is the Power BI. Okay, this is the blue color is the Power BI. Yeah. Okay. Second one is the, this is the red one is a Tableau. So from starting to ending, the Power BI is showing the highest. Okay, so this is the Google training. So that is the reason you choose the Power BI. Okay, second one is, yeah, second one is the Gartner report. Okay, in the Gartner report you will observe. So when you Gartner, yeah, in the Gartner report, so this is the challenger place, this is the leader position. You will observe this is the Microsoft is the challenger position. In the 2022, it has taken on January 2022. So you see the guys leader position Microsoft. When you compare this last year and earlier year, so from 2015 onwards is the Microsoft is the leader position. So after this is the Salesforce, the Tableau, and then QuickView and Google Demo, MicroStrategy, SAP HANA, Oracle, SAS and Yellow, Win and Joho and Incot. So these are the our entities. Okay, our opposite team players. Okay, the Microsoft always leader position. So that is the reason why you choose the Power BI. Okay, yeah, yeah. Next slide. So now, so how it will work the Power BI? So already we have seen some visuals and we have seen the some components, but in this then we will see the how it will work the visual. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys. So Power BI, how it will work. Okay, and gateways we will see after this one. Okay, so this is the source data. So source data, it may be files or DBs or Azure's I online or others. Okay, these are the source data. Okay, the source data when you load the data into Power BI. In the Power BI, what are the transformations we have? What are the components we have? Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View. So when you load the data into Power Query Reader, so we have clean the data sum and we move into data into the Power Pivot and we have the modeling part. Then we have give the relationship and then we build the some visuals. Okay. These visuals then we will publish into the where Power BI service. In the Power BI service, okay. So these are the service. So these are the one dashboard. These are one report. These are one report. These are one report. These are four reports. And the four in the single dashboard. These are like sales dashboard. Okay. This Power BI service, when you publish the Power BI service from Power BI service to, then we will send to the this report to the user, end user who is the client. So this is the user one and user two, user three. Okay. So then you whatever the requirement, then you will send the users. Okay. This is the gap between the Power BI desktop and the Power BI service. Why I given the gap? Anyone guess? I think who already know the Power BI, I think you might idea about, but you don't know the weather idea. Okay, no issue. Then I will let you. Okay. We have a offline sources data and online sources data. For example, you have a data in like Google. Okay, that is the online source. Online source. So from someone friends you will ask, for example, the Google Gartner report. Okay, someone ask you, yeah, actually I'm confusing to which one I will choose in a software course. Actually, I'm going to the take a one software training, so I don't know whether how it will take. Okay, you suggest to your friend. Okay, you will go on Google online and you will take the you will go to the Gartner report. Okay, and Gartner reports on Power tools, business intelligence tools. Then you will get the who is the challenger and who which one is the best one platform. Then they will explain you. Then you go and search. So that is the online data. So you do not require anything. So just your verbal the saying is enough to they will take the data. Okay, but you have completed one course, for example, you have the data, okay, in your laptop, in your desktop. Okay, for desktop, you have installed something, you have developed some reports, but that files someone ask, for example, they will ask you, yeah, how you prepare this one data. Okay, but actually the data is there in my local desktop. How we will get? he asked in the phone, and he's on the Vizag and you are in the Hyderabad. That time you want to net connection, and then your Google like Gmail account, then you will upload the data, and then you will send it and they will see. Like you want to online. Okay, from offline source to online source. What is the bridge here? So, internet. Okay, like that, so same internet here. But when you offline sources of data into convert into the online Power BI service, so that is called as the gateways. So like when you come, you are in living in a one gated community. Okay, your gate, some security gate is there. Okay, when you anyone enter into the gate, they will ask, so for which flat you will go. For example, 10 number. Yeah, okay, 10 number flat. This is the main gate. Okay, this is main gate for all 100 flats. Okay, when you particular this one, then we enter into this one again. Another one personal. Okay, you will put a one on personal. For example, you have some function, but because of most of the people's coming to the gate, okay, then you will stop someone only who are coming to our home, then you will enter into this one, then you will put another security guard in your gate. Okay, someone enter into the gate, and he came, he find the 12 number flat, and then is one more gate, security guard is there. They ask, so where will you go? The flat number 12. Who? Where will you go? Yeah, okay. You are a pass. Yeah, yes. Okay, enter. Okay, like this is the on-demand gateway and off personal gateway. These are the two types of gateways. So gateways to enter into the house, enter into the colony. So this is like Power BI desktop to the Power BI service to offline sources, not online sources. We have two types of data source. First is offline, second is the online. Okay, so the bridge between offline sources to online sources, offline sources to Power BI service is called as the gateway. Okay, this is how many types of gateways. So here gateway bridge between offline sources and Power BI service. Here the two types of gateways. So personal gateway and on-demand gateway. So personal gateway only for particular your house. On-demand gateway then entire colony or entire the village. Okay, then we will discuss on depth, in depth this about the Power BI service and how it will work. Everything then we will discuss. Okay, yeah, this is the high level induction of Power BI. What is the Power BI? Why we require Power BI? Why learn the Power BI? And what is the components of Power BI? And what how it will work the Power BI? Okay, okay, friends. Okay, yeah. Before and then we will see the one of the example. Okay, yeah. Quickly, I open the Power BI. Okay, so just we will see the one report, so you will understand easily. I told you this the visual, then how we will, then everything I shown here. So then we will see the one example, then you understand easily. Yeah, in this example, just we will get the data from the Excel source, and then we have to some transformations, the easy drag and drop transformation, how it will easy. So everyone can do by these steps, then you are also able to. One second.